Hands-on demonstration on summary statistics. Exercise 2 instructions.
So this is exercise number 2, data analysis. So first instruction here is let us compare variable length of service. So we would use the same Excel data at yesterday, yung kung saan po, yung ginamit din natin with the data management ni Sir Denver na exercise po. So gagamitin natin yung last two worksheets doon. So the length service 9 underscore service between the male and the female employees of province A. So using yung sex disaggregated na worksheet. Okay? So that in the minimum, maximum, mean, median, third quartile, 90th percentile, and standard deviation, coefficient of variation, and dizziness. Okay? So, natakal naman natin siya kanina kung paano kinompute yung for each. And then, write the final values in table 2 and find an appropriate descriptive interpretation with a focus on the comparison of the male and female MPs. Okay, so tip lang po dito, i-double check natin sa ating data dictionary kung ano po yung male na data and yung female dahil dun madalas na pagbabaliktad ng mga participants. So since ko na yung data doon sa ating worksheet, so double check na natin sa ating data dictionary kung ano yung male and yung female. Okay? So next is for additional summary measures to characterize the employees of province A by doing the following. So meron naman na itong steps. So A, using the summary measures worksheet, create a pivot table of the whole data set, place the output pivot table in a new worksheet named pivot, and then in the pivot worksheet, select the tick mark for the employee variable 1_m and so on. So naka-step by step naman yung gagawin natin for letter B. So yung instructions here, yan, hanggang sa pag-paste ng value and pagko-compute nakalagay na dito. So, pinakatitignan na lang natin dito is yung fill up the table 3 with the resulting value of the requested summary measures and provide an appropriate interpretation. Actually, pag inopen nyo po yung Excel file, doon sa summary measures ng worksheet, so meron na rin po doong guide. Complete na rin po doon kahit doon sa sex disaggregated na worksheet natin. So, pwede nyo doon fill upan na lang kung ano yung mga computed value ninyo. Then, pag meron na kayong compute value, saka nyo i-transfer sa tables na meron tayo sa ating Word file. So, once completed na po yung A and B, so done na po tayo. So, double check nyo na lang din po. Okay? So, for table 3, additional summary measures of employees in province A 2022. So, ang lalagay po natin dito is yung sex ratio, percentage distribution of employees, and then percent change of average employee weight from 2021 to 2022. So using our hands-on demonstration earlier, yung mga formulas doon, interpretation, so sasagutan po natin itong exercise number data analysis.